Right, I really have little to say on this subject. It's what a lot of us Brits thought was going to happen and was happening. Well, we've been proven right. It's certainly worth going into the article on this. It's horrific. It's wrong. I tried to post this yesterday. However, it appeared, I think that it may well have been not pushed forward for fear of, I don't know, repercussions, whatever. But that's all I'm going to say on the subject. Read the topic, go in the article and let me know what you think.